Camp 2021. We're here.
Yes.
We're at the airport. We're gonna go to Estes Park.
Sweet.
Training.
I'm ready.
We took bets. We made it. See what kind of car we were gonna get.
Yep.
And Mike called a Mustang.
I knew it.
You son of a bitch. Did not call a Mustang. I thought it was gonna be a Challenger. But yeah, this thing's gonna move.
Oh yeah.
5.0 V8.
Love it.
We're gonna treat it nice. We're alive, we're here, and this trunk, I don't think could get any more full.
Not with our bags.
It's a good thing we didn't get the Corvette.
That's how we knew this was perfect.
Go check out the latest Murder Shack.
Yeah.
Well, it's cleaner than the last place I was in. No open window that has a lock mechanism broken. Well, it's home for the next week. Do you want closest to exit door or closest to the hallway?
Closest to hallway.
Okay. They said mountain views when we booked this. Not so much. A little bit, but mostly this. Storage building over here. Boundaries are more that way. See you in the sights. We're in Glacier Gorge right now.
Yep.
We're gonna go see some waterfalls, take some pictures,
See some animals?
see some animals. Got a little pet chipmunk we had the other day.
Right? Chippy.
Chippy. Should wear your undertack, buddy.
You know, I'm saving it for camp.
So after much searching, we found what is it? Mike's training place, MBC.
Yeah.
Wednesday night, regular action.
Yeah. Like an intro, right?
Yeah. Batman, it's your first time training with someone other than me, so
That's a little scary.
scary.
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, they're gonna you up.
That's why it's a little scary.
I'm kidding. All right. All right. Hello. How's it going?
Good, yourself?
This is my friend Batman.
Batman?
It's his first time at camp.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hey, Mike?
Mike, yeah.
Yeah.
There's too many mics, though.
Yeah, it's fair.
So you walk in the room, I'm Batman?
It's got a story. It's got a long story.
He's been known as Batman for like the last 12 years, 13?
Pretty close, yeah.
At least, so.
Alright.
You just blinded me.
I'm wearing your underwear.
Really? I hope they smell good. Good to see you. Hey, this is my friend Batman.
I'm Robbie.
Nice to meet
Good to
you.
meet you.
He's called Mike too, but you know.
It fits you better, so
It's a long ago name, and apparently there's a ton of mics, so it makes it easy.
right.
If I want to film Robbie and get his good side.
I don't know. Maybe up behind isn't good. The profile's not
I mean,
good.
if you're wearing the underwear, I mean, the behind's
He's
gotta look
showing
good.
the underwear, right?
So again, we get 1, 2 overhead, 1, 2 overhead. And it's always on the push-pull versata, more push than pull. So you're not spring-loading the sharp knife back into your face. Not my list to do. Awesome. Nice. I willed him to do that.
How we go again?
Make sense? Awesome. Give it a shot, please.
Well, we found a place to fly some drones that is legal, hopefully. I mean, it is legal. We know what we're doing. A little mini action.
Yeah. Account not logged in. Of course not.
Why would you need to log in to fly a drone?
I don't know. I don't know why they make us do anything.
How far did we hike earlier? 8 miles, was it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
8
we already
miles.
hiked 8 miles. Yesterday we trained a little bit at MBC HQ and also hiked, what, like 3 something yesterday?
Yeah, a little over 3, close to 3.5.
Yeah, so now it's time to just chill, fly some drones, and get some awesome footage before dinner.